Hey guys, so my name is Janelle McClarty. I'm the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the answer to a commonly asked question that I get, which is, how do I know if I should use Shopify for my business? So as a web designer, I get asked a lot of questions regarding which platform is better than what. Like, should I use WordPress? Should I use Squarespace, Wix? There's dozens of builders and platforms out there, but specifically this video is geared towards people looking to get into Shopify, but they're just not sure if it's suitable for your business. So these are the top 3 questions I would ask you, or you should ask yourself. And if you say yes to all 3 of these, or even 2 out of 3, then Shopify should be a good fit for you. So question number 1, do I have a high amount of inventory? So I ask this questions to customers. I'm like, do you have a lot of inventory that you're selling currently? And a lot is relative. So I look at, okay, do you have a dozen or maybe 20, 30, 50, even 100 products? The higher the amount of inventory, the more I push you towards Shopify because it has an amazing inventory management system that's already built in. And it's pretty much, I would say, top 2. So Shopify would be number 1 in terms of inventory management, and WordPress, WooCommerce would be number 2 in terms of the best inventory management system. So not to say that if you're only selling 1 or 2 products, you shouldn't use Shopify. No, I'm saying that if you have a lot of products, and you plan to grow your business to sell a lot of products in the near future or just in the general future, then I would push you or ease you towards using Shopify. Question number 2 I would ask a client would be, is your business mainly transactional based or sales based? Do you make a lot of transactions, whether it be credit card, Interact, POS, all that? And in relation to you being more of an informational based business. So I ask that to my clients to say that if you are looking for a really good POS system or a really good way to just charge customers and not have to worry about the hassle of collecting money or going around and collecting checks or requesting deposits or transfers and all that, Shopify has a really good POS system, as well as payment integrations with platforms, PayPal, Stripe, Snappy Checkout, Authorize.net. The list goes on and on with the amount of ways you can get paid and integrate that through Shopify. So that's the second question I would ask my client. If they say yes, we're kind of struggling and suffering trying to figure out how to get paid in the most efficient way, then Shopify is a good solution for that. And question number 3, so the last question I would ask a client to see if they should use Shopify or not would be, do you need an easier way to get your product in your customers' hands? So that's in relation to shipping. So a lot of people, they find it difficult to, let's say, get their actual product shipped out. They find it difficult in terms of affordability. Maybe their shipping rates aren't so great. And Shopify has connections with popular shipping companies like FedEx, UPS, USPS, and a bunch of others. So when you sign up for a Shopify account, depending on which package you get, your shipping rates are discounted even further. And another issue I see that clients have with the shipping is just the process. So imagine you get an order, not using Shopify, you just get an order that needs to be shipped out. You have to organize the shipping label. You have to pack what you're shipping. You have to print that shipping label out, put it on. You have to update the client that your order is now ready. You got to ship the order out, get the tracking number. You got to update the customer. Oh, I just shipped your order out. Here's the tracking number. When it hopefully gets there, you're not too sure. Did it get there? Did it not? Like, nothing is really seamless if you're doing things with, like, let's say manually. But Shopify, it makes it so seamless because as soon as you get a new order, your customer, and you package it and print it and ship it off, everything is automated from there. So your customer will get the the tracking number automatically, get an email automatically that the package has been shipped, get another automatic email once it's been delivered. You will get your email as well, like notification as well. The order will be marked complete automatically. Any issues in terms of refunds or exchanges or all that, if the customer wants to do that, there's a link, they can do that, and you'll get notified automatically, and you can handle all that automatically as well. So when I see a customer who has issues on the shipping realm in terms of pricing and just automating things, I always guide them towards using Shopify because it is more automated and easier to handle, especially high amounts of orders that need to be shipped up. So just to recap, top 3 things to look for if you're deciding on choosing Shopify as your platform of choice or not is your inventory situation. Do you have a lot of inventory to look over, manage, keep track of? Number 2 would be your transactions and your sales. How are you getting or taking in the money? Is it through a POS? Would it be through PayPal or another online platform? So whatever it is, Shopify can integrate with tons of different payment platforms. And number 3 would be your shipping. If you are a person or a business that needs to do shipping or has a lot of, let's say, problems when it comes to shipping rates and prices and just automating your shipping, then I would definitely guide you towards using Shopify as well in that case. So I hope that helps you when it comes to making a decision on if you should use Shopify or another platform. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact details will be in the description box below. My email address is info@encorewebsites.com, and I will be offering some free help to anyone who is interested in opening up a Shopify account. We could go through the platform for free and open up a trial account. I'm doing little screen sharing sessions where I can show you around and let you know if this can be right for your business. So if you're interested in that, you can go to the link below as well, or visit www.encorewebsites.com for more information on how to book a little session to help you with your Shopify. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this and giving you some tips and tricks and guidance when it comes to anything web related. Okay. So, yeah, thanks, and have a good rest of your day.